Imagine our lives if we could predict the future. Visualize a manufacturing company that is facing many challenges, like high inventory level, inefficient use of resources, long delivery times for materials, and delays in deliveries. They are all a consequence of discrepancy between planning theory and shopping floor reality. Imagine a solution that can guide production processes in the same way as Google Maps supports your road trip. LEAP, the AI-driven solution, brings transparency of shop floor reality to planners and helps team coordinators prepare for future events. It uses historical data and artificial intelligence to forecast production and suggest optimal measures when unplanned events occur. LEAP is able to monitor and forecast production, inventory, and tool change. It can also suggest optimal teams of workers to shorten production time and increase the quality of products. It can create a digital twin of your production in order to predict and manage organization downtimes. Each second, 20 million simulations are created in digital twin. LEAP addresses challenges across industries. It is designed individually for each industry in collaboration with leading industry experts. We understand that each company is unique in its workflow and culture. Let's take a look at one of LEAP's use cases, a manufacturing company in automotive industry.
V Qlector KFH smo pilotni uporabniki Qlector LEAP aplikacije. Trenutno uporabljamo za planiranje precej tudi Excel tabele, s katerimi si pomagamo pri mikroplanu za boljšo vizualizacijo plana proizvodnje v KFH-ju. Z uvedbo Qlector LEAP aplikacije smo precej pridobili pri vizualizaciji plana proizvodnje. Aplikacija sama osvežuje podatke v mikroplanu, kar precej olajša delo planerjev in vodij TET.
Create optimal production plans and maintain lean manufacturing with Qlector LEAP.